remember when just a few months ago, I moved into this apartment. And I was like, oh my God, I'm in Florida. Life is good. Yeah, I'm moving out already. So here we are, where the setup used to be. It is no longer. I've already started the process. I actually haven't even, I've had this apartment for what, 4 months? And I've lived here, maybe spent 40 days, probably less, actually here. Yeah, crazy. But I am gone, and I am moving in with my girlfriend, which is an interesting thing, right? Because forever on this channel, people were like, yo, you're never gonna get a girlfriend, man, look at you. Well, what now, Fred? Anyways, so yeah, check it out. Sad, but what I need to do is rip them off the goddamn wall. This is good. So anyways, let's see what happens, because there's little things here, and there's a very good chance that I will damage this wall. So stay tuned. So in theory, I should be able to pull this down. Come on. One little piece. They're not gonna notice. It's okay. I'm not dripping in sweat right now because I'm scared. I'm just fat. Here we go. No! God, stop taking paint off the wall! Let's try the upward motion. Oh no, I'm not getting my deposit back. The good thing is, I only have like 2 more to go. All right, we'll be back after I probably cry. Thanks.
Oh, that one worked perfectly.
Yeah, but that hurt.
But your security deposit.
But it hurt. This whole time I could have been doing it correctly. It's all right. It's just paint. That hurts.
I'm so scared.
Ow! See, if it hurts, it works.
There's no...
My pinky's like throbbing right now. Ah. The good thing is these are not that high up, and I'm really tall, so. Ah! Ah!
Are you okay?
Call an ambulance, but not for me. That doesn't make sense. I'm 6'7", so this is like about 10 feet up in the air.
They all look great.
All right, so we just emptied out a bunch in my apartment, but still a lot to do. Have to get movers, and I'm on a very tight deadline. Literally, next week is when I have to be out. So, good job, Matt. So a lot has changed in my life recently, and I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions. Yes, it's true. We bought a Glowforge. I know you probably had questions about her, but I'm more interested in the Glowforge right now. Anyways, though seriously, we did buy Glowforge, and I'm going to start documenting that whole process on the channel. So right now we're buying some spray paint, we're getting some whiteboard and a bunch of other things, and gonna go to the dollar store, and I'll tell you more about the Glowforge when we get back home. You hear that noise? That's the sound of Disney World fireworks right in my backyard. So yeah, if you know anything about me, I'm a pretty happy guy right now.
Hey Matt, what are you doing?
Check this out. Right now, I'm playing Sonic Adventure 2 from Dreamcast on this little portable device. Isn't this crazy? This thing is so expensive on other sites, but from AliExpress, it's really affordable. You gotta go check out AliExpress. They have everything you could possibly want at a super affordable price. Because seriously, why pay more? So check this out. We have Dreamcast. I can go over and play PlayStation, which they have a whole bunch of different games. They even have PSP and just literally a slew of other options available, all built into this little handheld device with really nice buttons, a great screen, different thumbsticks here. And I'm just going to be honest, I love this thing. It's nice to have in my pocket. When the Glowforge is going, I can just play this. I love it. It reminds me of the old school Game Boys with the translucent cover. Huge fan of the color scheme here. Really love it. Again, I got it from AliExpress. I'll leave a link to them down below in the description. Every single time, you got to get it from AliExpress because why pay more? Anyways, back to the video. All right, so we are back home. As you can tell, the Christmas tree is up, of course, because we have products that we got to sell and we need to, get listing photos. So for instance, Casey made this one, and this is, my family, the Philly family. And there I am, Matthew. Looks awesome. I love it. We got grandma's perfect batch. Customized, all on Etsy. I love it. First Christmas home. So yeah, Casey's been going ham. Merry and married with the little Mickey head and stuff. But over here we got some of my stuff. Check this out. Oh no, our table. It's broken. It's corn. A big lump with knobs. Good soup. Friendship is like pissing your pants. Everyone can see it, but only you can feel its warmth. Thank you for being the piss in my pants. So those are 4 that I made. I did a test here with Silva's ult from Valorant on a coaster. I mean, that looks so good. But I haven't really had time to like make much. We just went to Lowe's and Dollar Tree. We have so many different things here, which by the way, this is my Glowforge. Well, okay, it's our Glowforge, but like I'm trying to flex. So is it okay if I say it's mine?
Sure.
Okay, it's my Glowforge. Didn't need no help from no woman. By the way, the Glowforge has a name, and its name is the same as this rubber duck. Kevin. Yeah, it's probably not what you expected me to say, but yes, literally, we named it Kevin. It's a long story, but we have a rubber duck kind of theme going on where every rubber duck is named Kevin. So we said, you know what? Kevin, welcome to the family. Also from Dollar Tree, check this out. Sheesh. Yeah. Gorgeous. Now, I thought it would look cool, like blurred out in the backdrop for photos. It doesn't. It just actually looks really depressing. Like Charlie Brown, his tree looks a lot better.
Shaking.
I have to say, there's a lot I want to tell you about the Glowforge, and I will tell you, but I'll do that in the next video. This is just kind of catching you up on what's happening in my life. I know you're probably like, what? You just moved in. Now you moved out. Now you have a girlfriend. You've changed, Matt. I have. So yeah, here's the thing, right? I don't even know what to say. I don't know. What am I supposed to be saying? Right?
Hi, I'm girlfriend.
Hi, I'm girlfriend. Oh, you're supposed to say that. Anyways, yeah. This is my girlfriend. Her name is Casey. She's awesome. We've known each other for a bit. This has been a fun little thing that's taken up a little bit of my time. But life is good. Can't complain. We got a lot on our plate. We're doing a whole Glowforge laser business. She already does a lot of 3D printing stuff, which I should show that off to you guys. She has a ton of Prusas and whatnot. So in a future video, we'll look at that. I even filmed some of your like before and after. I don't know. Like we redid our office a little bit. Yeah. But here's the thing, guys. I think I'm going to start posting more videos on this channel, vlog style, with the main focus being starting a laser bid.
I like it.
Yeah,
it's a good name.
Me too. Mm-hmm. Laser business, right? So I'm so rusty. Holy crap. I think every couple days, every day, depends. You guys want daily vlogs on this channel? I will vlog what it's like for me and her starting our businesses. So she's already big on Etsy in different ways, and she's going to post on her store. I'm going to do my store. We're going to do some joint stuff locally. So if you guys want to see what that's like and you want to see the inner workings, let me know in the comments. And if you don't, well, pretend you do, because that, you know, it's going to
make him feel better.
Yeah, please. I just need any help I can get right now. Anyways, though, I think we are going to wrap it up here. I know it's a random video, but it's kind of like, hey, I've been gone. Here's what I'm doing. And I'm back. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I've missed your faces. She always makes fun of my outro.
Toodles. Hi, I'm Matt Philly. What is it?
I'm Matt Philly, and you're knocking out of my face. Have a great day, and I'll catch you.
On the flippity flop.
On the flippity flop. All right. Peace.